Hello and welcome to my video lesson 2.3 map scale. So maps are a perfect example that uses this idea of scale factor. They will contain a legend that helps you determine what the scale was used, or what scale was used. Using the map below, determine the distance from Victoria, BC to St. John's, Newfoundland, then compare it to the actual size. So first of all, before we even get started here, I'd love for you guys to try this question out and validate yourself with my answer at the end of the video. So I'm going to do this based off of this here legend, which is what I just told you we need to be basing things off of. And right here is, let's use black maybe. Right here is Victoria, and right here, I think, is St. John's. I could be wrong. It could be this one here, but that minor difference, we'll figure it out, okay? I'm going to go with this one. And so I just want to know the flight distance, okay? So based off of this, what is the distance from those two? Okay, so yes, we have a ruler on my board here. 1 centimeter is 400 kilometers. So we don't actually have centimeters here, but what we do have is something pretty darn close. We just have to zoom out just a tiny bit. And then I think we have it pretty close here. Oh, that's too far. That might be right. It's pretty close. Okay, so you can see here that one mark is the same as from there to there. So it's close to one of my markers on my ruler. It's not perfect though. So what we can do is we can see that all the way till here is 2400. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit. Okay, so look at my ruler, or if you're trying this, then please use your own ruler, pause your screen, and literally take your ruler to your screen. Okay, so we need to adjust the ruler so it's straighter. There you go, that's pretty good. And now we need to have it like that. So we said 1, 2, 3, 4 and a bit. So that was one full distance. Okay, from there to there. And let's do the same thing from the other side. One, 2, 3, 4 and a bit. Okay, ooh, we're pretty close here, which means that we are like what, half? Let's see. Yeah, about half of a distance. So we're literally just counting up the number of squares is all we're doing, right? So we're comparing it to the distance down below. And just counting it up. So, well, let's pretend that it's actual centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 8. So if it's 8.5 centimeters, if you compare it to what a centimeter is below, okay? It may not be perfect, but it's 8.5 centimeters, okay? And every centimeter, oh, that's not centimeters. It's whatever this distance is. Whatever. So, I'm going to call it centimeters. 1 centimeter is 600 kilometers, according to the distance that I measured as a centimeter, not what actually is a centimeter, apparently. And we measured 8 centimeters. So, we need to have, we need to use 8 centimeters somewhere. So, eventually we want to figure out what, centimeters or kilometers? Well, we want to figure out kilometers, so let's put kilometers on top, actually, per 1 centimeter. Times by 8.5 centimeters, because we want the centimeters to cancel, and that should give us our answer. So all we're doing is like literally measuring and then unit conversion, which we've done plenty of up until now, and we get 5,100 kilometers. So that's what we just calculated based off of my crude measurement and my crude ruler and all that. So remember that number, 5,100 kilometers. Okay, now we're going to see this distancecalculator.net and see what happens. Oh, is it going to work? Oh yeah, it is. Oh my. I don't know if you can see that there, but that is rounded up. That's really good. Rounded up 5,063 kilometers. Rounded up, it would get you to 5,100 kilometers. So our answer is pretty bang on. I just want to say, way to go. Way to go. I hope this video helps you understand map scale a little bit better. It's easier to do in person when you actually have a map and it doesn't shift sizes on you as you zoom in and out like this. But the point is that you can measure the legend and then compare it to the actual size. Alright, I hope this video helps you understand map scale a little bit better. And good luck.